go. So guys, just walking out of work. I don't have all my fishing stuff or my camera or anything, but I am about to just go back here to the creek for like an hour or two, and probably not even that long. Just I got my lightweight rod, and I think I have some lures in my kayak. I'm not sure, but if I do, then we'll throw a couple out and just sit and talk. But yeah, I'm gonna go down there. I was gonna walk, but I'll just drive down there. It's a little slick back here. It's been raining. Oh yeah, it might be. There's some good fishing. It's a little swampy back here too. Probably should have backed in, but I think we'll be alright. Alright, let's see what we got. Yes, sir. It's only good thing about this kayak. I'm gonna get rid of it and get one with like a little trolling motor on it. Sometimes I'll be out and the current be so strong, I just be letting it float me on the other side of the lake. But yeah, I did film a kayak fishing video. Didn't catch anything, so I didn't post it. Didn't even get any bites, so it wasn't that interesting. But I don't know, I might edit it and put it out just to put it out, but I'm sure the setup. So yeah, I'm just using this little jig head. Nothing too crazy. And then got a little weight on there. It's a little split shot. It's my lightweight rod. So I might see if I have my tripod. I doubt it. But if I do, I can set it up. I do have this. I just need to find my tripod. So it might be on the other side. Okay, sweet. We're in luck. Oh yeah, this is behind my job. Like, how sweet is this? And let me actually go show you the water. So yeah, it's just a creek that stretches for miles. There's some bubbles over there. I don't know what it's from, but I'll check it out. Alright, I need to re-rig this. Just snapped. Alright, let's run this back. In the tree again. I need to move down a little. Like something down there liked it. All right, right here. right there. Told you. Told you. That is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. That's what I wanted. There goes one. Same little fucker. I catch you again. What's up with y'all? Don't tell me you're in the eye. Can't hook it in the eye. God damn it. Well, there's two. I'm surprised these are pretty low. Alright, well that's gonna be the end of today's video. Got two out, two little dingers.